Hey, what's up, pundix holders? So what's going on? Hope you are all will fine. Today video is going very special for pundix holder, and this is one big reason that I explain in this video. A lot of pundix holder ask me a question to why the pundix goes down. So this is the live chart of 7 days. I gonna show you the result absolutely goes down. So the people are true. Every holder is right. Absolutely every holder stacks right. So I explained it in this video, but before I get start this brand video, I request you, my brother, to please subscribe this, brother. Please, brothers, please subscribe this channel. I hope you subscribe. If you get subscribe this channel, then I give you a good informative videos. Hope you are enjoyed my videos. Thank you so much. Let's get started, brothers. This big video, this amazing video, guys. First of all, if you can see here, this is the last 7 days result. Everybody just focus and remember which I show you. You can see here as the minus 8.53% goes down. Absolutely, this is bad result. All cryptocurrencies, first of all, I said that and those days every cryptocurrencies goes down. So brothers, please, this is not a simple problem, but please understand all cryptocurrencies goes down. So this is absolutely pundix as always goes down. So remember this, and you can always remember this price. You can see here the price is 0.00856 US dollar. So always remember this price, which I gonna show you the second chart. Please remember this. Okay, so this time let's check it out, the last 1 day result. Okay, the last 1 day result, the last 1 day chart, I open it. If you can see here, the change is absolutely same like a 7 day chart. You can see here this is an absolutely minus 8.95% goes down. So pundix holder, you remember these two changes? You remember? I hope you remember. But this time you can see here the price is goes down. The price is 0.007. This is come down to 8 to 7. Okay, so remember this price. Okay, I gonna show you the third chart, and then we decided to this is the buying time, this is selling time. What's going on in pundix? Okay, so if we check it out, the last 1 hour result. First of all, I show you 7 days result, and then show you a 1 day result, and this time I show you the last 1 hour result. So guys, if you remember, I show you here as the change as and the minus. First of all is a negative, but this time you can see here the last 1 hour as an positive. So congratulations, pundix holder, congratulations, brothers. This is absolutely going off like a rocket. So I hope my brother is very appreciate this. Absolutely, this is a mind-blowing result. You can see here plus 0.58 and not a small change. This is absolutely mind-blowing big change. So guys, if you can check here the price, big problem is in the price. You can see here the price is 0.0069371. So they come down to 7. First of all, they come down 8 to 7 and 8 to 6. So this is just last 1 hour result. Please remember, this is last 1 hour result. So brothers, I hope it upcoming days they can just cross to 1 US dollar. I hope they can. This is the target of pundix. So I hope they can cross it. The pundix holder. I hope this is my expectation to. I hope they can cross 1 US. What's your opinion? What's your expectation? Please share it in a comment box. This is very important for me, for all holder of pundix. So hope you enjoyed this video. For latest update, just subscribe this channel, and please, this is not a big problem to pundix goes down in those days, because all cryptocurrencies goes down. This is the start of month. I said that in every video, because pundix holders starting selling. So this is not a selling time. I think this is buying time. Please buy it more pundix coins. Okay, this is absolutely good time, and sell it in the end of month. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.